You don't need a personal stylist or a big budget to look stylish. All you need is the right mindset and a few smart switches. And guess what? It's not that much hard. Today I'll show you how to change your dressing sense easily without breaking the bank or losing your comfort. Trust me, by the end of this video, you will see fashion from a whole new angle. Let's be real, we all have looked in the mirror and thought something is missing. Maybe your outfit feels too plain or too outdated or just not you. But the truth is, your style is already there, it just needs a little refining. Changing your dressing sense is not about buying a whole new wardrobe. It's about making small intentional upgrades that boost your confidence and help you stand out. Here are 5 quick ways to instantly upgrade your dressing sense. We all love our plain t-shirts and simple fits. But here's the truth. Basic can make you blend in, but want to stand out? Replace just one basic piece with something bold. That could be a blouse with puff sleeves, a cropped blazer with shoulder pads, or a top with unique print or structure. Bold doesn't mean loud, it means intentional. One statement piece can change your whole look. Know your fit. Style is not just about clothes, it's about how they fit on you. A well-fitted outfit over expensive outfit every single time. Try this: high-waisted jeans for length, a wrap dress to define your waist, and oversized jackets for a modern twist. When the fit feels right, your confidence shows. Third, use color smartly. Color speaks before you even say a word. You don't need to wear neon, but smart color play makes a huge difference. Try this: neutral with one pop of color. It can be shoes, bags, or nails. Stick to a color family like beige, cream, tan, or wear all black with gold accessories for that bossy vibe. So the secret balance. Let your color do the talking, softly but clearly. Fourth, accessorize intentionally. Accessories is equal to instant elevation, but don't overdo it. Be intentional. Now, what will be your starter kit? Can be a dainty layered necklace, gold hoops or a minimalist watch, and a stylish belt, hair clips or a printed scarf. Keep it 1 and 2 accessories per outfit. Let them complete the look, not overpower it. Here comes fifth, your power outfit. This is your secret weapon, your go-to outfit when you want to feel hot with zero effort. Pick something you feel 100% in. Could be a cord set, a jumpsuit, a blazer and jeans combo, even a simple dress that hugs you right. When you wear it, your energy shifts. You walk taller, talk better, you own the moment. So here's the thing, style is not just about how you look. It's about how you feel. When you feel good in what you wear, your energy shifts. You walk differently, talk confidently, and show up like the main character you truly are. So you don't have to follow every trend, just find what works for you and rock it with confidence. So if this video gave you even a tiny spark of inspiration, hit the subscribe button right now and join the Gia Trends Big Fam, where style meets self-confidence. New videos coming every week with fashion tips, outfit ideas, and glow up motivation, because you deserve to feel amazing in your skin and your style. Drop this emoji in the comments if you're ready to upgrade your style game, and let me know which tip you are trying first. In this video, we have learned about fashion with different angle, but I wonder you might be making these fashion mistakes. So while you're waiting, watch now and learn how to avoid these.